glorious sunset. So I think from now on, I think what I'll be doing now is I'll finally get onto a project that I've wanted to do for a little while. Not really much of a project, just kind of like a semi-daily vlog of what it's like to have ADD. I say semi-daily because there are going to be some days that are just not any different from others, and other days that are going to be more significant. You guys can, anybody who comes across this, feel free to ask some questions. I'll get to them as soon as I can. I might do maybe even an entire video on a single question, depending on what it is. But one thing I'll definitely say is getting outside and getting some exercise definitely helps. And especially seeing like views like that, like super cool. I'm fortunate to have this literally walking distance from my house, so that's pretty awesome. And for all of my subscribers who subscribe for automotive content, don't worry, more is coming. One good thing about ADD is you got lots of ideas. Creativity is not much of a challenge. So it's just getting it done. So I will be putting priority on getting that mini keg intake part 2 out to you guys. That'll be based on how to take it apart, how to service the filter and so on. And a neat little discovery I made when I went to take it apart that actually ended up making my design even better than I thought. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, for now, just gonna enjoy this. Super cool. Oh, nice. Getting some sun on that hill again. Alright guys, see you later.